Okay, today we're going to be installing a Kreft Power Dial 3.0 and a GasGas MC85, which is basically the Husky 85 and the KTM 85. And basically installs right here. And instead of having to use a tool to adjust your power valve, the Kreft Power Dial is just a hand turn modification. And so we'll be installing that today on this MC85. It should be a cool mod. And it's really pretty straightforward. Here it is right here, Power Dial 3.0 from Kreft Moto. And the main thing I recommend right up front is get on their YouTube channel and look at their installation video on this. That's very important. But hey, let's get into it and get this thing installed. Okay, it's pretty simple. Here's the Kreft Power Dial 3.0. The first thing you have to do is remove the pin. It just unscrews. They put it in that way because it has a little bit of red thread locker on there. So you just set that aside, and that is how it's going to go into the bike, just like that. So we'll just get the stock power valve off and get this installed. Pretty simple. Looks kind of sad, but we're going to do a little power valve surgery, and this is the optimal way to do it without having to drain all the oil out of the crankcase. So just gonna take this guy off, pretty simple. And then we're gonna install the Kreft Power Dial. So we'll get this done now, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, there it is. So that was incredibly easy. All right, I got it in there. Kreft Power Dial 3.0 went right in, no problem. It was easy to get the other piece out, the stock piece, and that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna get it back in the bike now, and I got the red color to match the GasGas, so that's kind of cool. And yeah, so I'm gonna put it back on the bike, and I'll be done. Simple, very simple. Highly recommend getting this mod if you plan on doing a lot of power valve adjustments on your bike. 49 bucks. I think it's a bargain. Okay, here's the finished product. Kreft Power Dial 3.0. Super easy to install. Took me about 15 minutes to get that in. Pretty simple now to adjust, right? I turn it clockwise, gets me smoother power. Counterclockwise gets me a more aggressive hit. No special tools, real simple to use. And shoot, it looks cool. Now it's not supposed to bounce around when you're riding either. You can feel the tension on it, so that's kind of cool. It looks cool, and it's for 49 bucks. Why wouldn't you do it? That's a great mod. So thanks, Kreft. I think you've done a good job on this one. And we're gonna get this thing started up. I haven't even started this bike yet with all the mods on it, so I'm anxious to get it out and fire it up and hear what it sounds like. Stay tuned. See you guys.